Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about one of the crucial aspects of email security gateway, and that is rate control. And we will explore how it helps manage the flow of emails and protect us from various threats. So if we talk about the main problem, so the practical example, so imagine spammer attempting to flood inboxes with thousands of emails. So rate control systems detect this unusual activity and immediately block the sender. So preventing this spam blast from the reaching its intended targets. So this protects the end users from large amount of unwanted email. So these are two scenarios. One can be happen. So in your internal organization, server can be compromised. So once it compromised, maybe it's initiate a mass email campaign. So within minutes, that's mean the outbound, it flooding the this mass email into the outsiders. Then actually they will attempt to send thousands of unsolicited emails advertising a fraudulent product. Then what happened, your legitimate email flow will be interrupted. Maybe your gateways, that mean your firewalls, your internal systems may be affected. So it's banned with its content because it's a mass mailing attempt. And another thing is your organization's domain and your public IPs maybe get blacklisted and your reputations will be bad. Another thing is another example is the cloud server. That means spammer rents cloud server and configured mail server on it, and then it will send in emails. That mean multiple emails, bulk mailing without proper authentications, and they will flooded more than 50,000 email addresses and initiate a script so that will automate the sending emails actually with high amount of rate, more than 500 emails per second, like that. So then what will happen, so once it receive in your domain, that means your systems will be overloaded. That means your email server may be overloaded and your legitimate emails may be affected. So those are the problems we have. And so if we talk about what is rate control, so this kind of a email traffic cop. That means actually it's a mechanisms that sets the limits on the number of emails that can be sent within a specific time frame. So this prevents sudden surge of emails, ensuring a smoother and more secure flow. So this is the definition of rate control. So how rate control works? So actually, so this rate control, applicable for the both ways. That means the inbound and outbound, right? So if you talk about the key components of understand, first we can categorize rate control into two main directions: inbound and outbound. So inbound rate control means inbound rate control actually target incoming emails. So this is where we limit the number of emails that can arrive from particular IP address or domain within defined time period. So this helps protect our servers from being overwhelmed by a flood of incoming messages, which is might be a spam or denial of service attack. And so when you talk about the outbound rate control, so actually outbound rate control focuses on the emails leaving our system. Here we set limits on the number of emails that can be sent from a specific IP address or particular sender email address within given time frame. So this is crucial for preventing our own systems from being used to send spam or other malicious emails. So if you talk about the next point is the time-based throttling, and here actually at the core of rate control, both the inbound and outbound. So time-based throttling, that means that's a system continuously monitor that counts the number of messages or connections originating from a specific source IP address with this actually over set of time period. So common time frames actually include 30 minutes or an hour, but can be configured to various length. And in some systems this is actually predefined time frame. That means, for example, in Barracuda email security gateway it's 30 minutes. So likewise it's depend on the different type of email security gateways. And this actually system operates based on the predefined thresholds. So these thresholds are the maximum number of messages or connections allowed within the specified time payment. So if the number of messages or connections exceed this threshold, the system will take action. The actions can be either deferring the messages, meaning it will temporarily delayed, or blocking it entirely. So this continues until the next time frame begins when the count resets. Then it's starting delivering the my emails. And the final part is actually the login. So finally, the critical aspect of rate control is logging. These systems keep a record of all deferred or blocked messages along with the reason for the action. So this login is invaluable for troubleshooting any issues that may arise and for the identity find the potential security threats or misconfiguration. So it allows administrator to analyze patterns and find in the rate control settings. So these components work together to ensure balance and secure flow of email traffic. So through the email message log, actually we can see these each and every messages. So what are the benefits of rate control? So benefits of rate control are numerous. It significantly reduces the spams and it's protect against the attack that aims to overwhelm the servers, and it ensures that our email systems run efficiently. And so ultimately it leads to better user experience by making it easiest to manage our inboxes and protecting us from breaches. These are actually the benefits of rate control. So you can see. Thank you very much.